Today, you will learn common body movements in English. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your English speaking step by step. Number 1. Walking and movement. Walk. Walk. I walk to school. I walk to school. Run. Run. I run in the park. I run in the park. Jump. Jump. I jump very high. I jump very high. Hop. Hop. The rabbit hops fast. The rabbit hops fast. Skip. Skip. The girl skips happily. The girl skips happily. March. March. The soldiers march together. The soldiers march together. Crawl. Crawl. The baby crawls slowly. The baby crawls slowly. Climb. Climb. I climb the stairs. I climb the stairs. Slide. Slide. The children slide down. The children slide down. Swing. Swing. I swing at the park. I swing at the park. Chase. Chase. The dog chases the cat. The dog chases the cat. Hide. Hide. The cat hides under the bed. The cat hides under the bed. Sit. Sit. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. Stand. Stand. I stand near the door. I stand near the door. Lean. Lean. I lean against the wall. I lean against the wall. Squat. Squat. The athlete squats carefully. The athlete squats carefully. Kneel. Kneel. She kneels on the floor. She kneels on the floor. Tiptoe, tiptoe. The child tiptoes quietly. The child tiptoes quietly. Bend, bend. I bend my knees. I bend my knees. Stretch, stretch. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. Turn, turn. I turn to the left. I turn to the left. Spin, spin. The girl spins around. The girl spins around. Bow, bow. I bow to the audience. I bow to the audience. Salute, salute. The soldier salutes proudly. The soldier salutes proudly. Clap, clap. I clap my hands. I clap my hands. Wave, wave. I wave to my teacher. I wave to my teacher. Raise, raise. I raise my hand. I raise my hand. Push, push. I push the box. I push the box. Pull, pull. I pull the door. I pull the door. Lift, lift. I lift the bag. I lift the bag. Carry, carry. She carries a basket. She carries a basket. Throw, throw. I throw the paper. I throw the paper. Catch, catch. I catch the ball. I catch the ball. Roll, roll. The ball rolls away. The ball rolls away. Point, point. I point at the map. I point at the map. Good job today. Repeat this lesson again tomorrow. Practice every day and your English will improve step by step. Thank you for watching and see you in the next English lesson. Bye!